Claire here. I am here today to talk about our new sprout powders that we have. So these are a really awesome addition just to give your meals a little extra nutrient boost. We've got the barley here. Just show you a quick picture of that. And the broccoli sprout powder. So again, these are just a really great additive. I decided to experiment a bit in my own kitchen and created a dip that I think you guys will really like. So first I just want to highlight the beautiful color of this dip. Inside of the dip I've included both of these sprout powders to give it a little extra boost. It also has roasted beets, parsnips, chickpeas, some white beans, garlic, and lemon juice. Okay, so Jordan and Donny are gonna help me taste this today and tell me what they think.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So,
looks delicious.
Looks like ice cream, dude.
Yeah, a little bit of sherbet. Oh,
That is fantastic.
wow. Seriously, there's like that savory, but like an edge of sweetness. Totally. We're gonna have to go have all those other people off camera try this. This is ridiculous.
Incredible.
thank you. So, if you're interested in making this yourself, please visit our website. Go to the recipe blog, and I posted the recipe there.